What's up, Matt from Urchfab. Today we're going to be getting the diffs sorted out for the mongrel. Going to swap the limited slip diff from a 3:6 ratio diff into a 4:1 diff. Then I'm going to put the engine and diff into the car, get everything bolted up underneath. Right, so diff's all sorted. I've now got a 4:1 ratio with a limited slip diff in there. I set the backlash to the recommended spec. If you're just swapping the actual diff but leaving everything else as it was, it's pretty simple process to do it. If you're actually building a diff from scratch or changing the crown wheel and pinion into the casing, it's a lot more complicated because you have to set a lot of the bearing preloads with, you have a crush washer in here that needs to be set, and then you have to actually set the sort of mesh between the crown wheel and the pinion. But because I was leaving all that as it was and just changing the diff unit, then I basically just unbolt it, bolt it back together, torque it all up, and then just reset the backlash to the recommended spec. So I'm going to bolt this in now. This bolts up into the subframe, these go underneath, and then there's a bracket type thing with a bush on it that holds that underneath. I don't have those brackets, they were just completely rotted away when I took it all apart, and I just forgot to sort out some new ones. So I'm just going to bolt it in for now, and I've got some square plates just to stick on there just to make sure it can't fall out until I get till I find a set of the little bush plate things. We are up there. Now I've got to get the nut on. That's good. Diff's in. Nearly shit my pants doing it, but now we can put the engine in. diffs in, props in, gearbox, and engine. Engine's back in for the final time, hopefully. 140 horsepower of awesomeness. I have to try the manifold on just. Oh yes. Suddenly feels like it's getting somewhere now. I sorted out my issue with the rear arms. Ow. So I just removed that inner web, which lightened them up quite a bit, and I still think they'll be plenty strong enough, to be honest. So we'll test them out. See how we get on, but I think they'll be fine. They fit now, so it means I don't have to remake them, so that's good. That's gonna be it for this one. Cheers for watching. See you on the next one.